In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off uTorrent Auto Start. If uTorrent launches every time you turn on your computer, it can slow down your startup and crowd your desktop right away. Disabling its auto start is quick, and once you set it, you won't have to think about it again. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll share a few tips so you know exactly what you're changing and why. Start by opening uTorrent on your Windows PC. You can launch it from a desktop shortcut or by searching for it from the Start menu. Make sure the main uTorrent window is visible so you can access the menu bar at the top. Look to the top left corner of the window and click Options. This is where uTorrent keeps its general settings and controls. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can go directly to the next screen by pressing Ctrl+P, which opens Preferences, but using the menu is perfectly fine. In the Options menu, choose Preferences. A new window will open with a list of categories on the left. This is where all the configurable behaviors of the app live, including the setting that controls whether uTorrent launches when Windows starts. In the left-hand list, click General. The General section contains basic behavior and startup options, which is exactly what we're looking for. Take a moment to make sure you're on this page so changes affect the right area. Now, find the option labeled Start uTorrent when Windows starts. This is the Auto Start toggle. If the box is checked, uTorrent is allowed to launch as soon as Windows boots. To turn off Auto Start, remove that check mark so the box is empty. While you're here, you might also notice related options like Starting Minimized. Those only matter if Auto Start is on, so you can leave them alone if your goal is simply to stop the automatic launch. After unchecking the setting, click Apply at the bottom of the Preferences window. Apply saves the change without closing the window, which is helpful if you want to double-check the box stayed unchecked. When you're satisfied, click OK to close Preferences. That confirms everything and brings you back to the main uTorrent window. From now on, the next time you restart your computer, uTorrent should not open on its own. You can still start it manually anytime from your shortcut or the Start menu. That's all there is to it. You've disabled uTorrent's Auto Start, which should help your system boot faster and keep your desktop cleaner right after login. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother startup.